अस्सलाम वालेकुम। स्टडी सेट की पेडागोजी की एक और MCQs वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है। अनल हाइपोथेसिस इज when there is no difference between the variable in the qualitative research paradigm. Which one of the following features may be considered critical? The right answer is the data collection will bottom up empirical evidence, which when the purpose of the definition to explain the use or to eliminate ambiguity. The definition is called theoretical. The research that implies the law at the time of the field study to draw more and more clear ideas about the problem is experimental research. Action research is a type of the applied research. Which one of the following methods serve to measure the correlation between the two variables? The right answer is the coefficient of the rank correlation. Which one of the following is the first step to starting the research process? The right answer is the research source of the information to locate the problem. Which one of the following is not the source of the data? Administrative record. For a teacher, which is the most important skill to possess? Making the student understand what the teacher explained. Deconstruction is a particular method of the research in literature. Identify the incorrect statement. The scientific hypothesis is the specific theory. The research that aim at the immediate applicant is the action research. A research is interested in the studying the perspective of the particular political party is in urban areas. What tool should you prefer for the study? Right answer is questionnaire. The frequency distribution of the research data, which is the symmetrical and the shape similar to the normal distribution, but center peak is much higher. The right answer is leptotric. The principle of the fundamental research are used by the applied research. Who is in effective communication? The one who is clear with what he say. Determining the relationship between the two or the more variable occur in the correlation research. Which of the following is not the critical feature of the qualitative research? Seeking to establish relationship among the measured social effect. Which of the following statement is correct? Objective should be pinpointed. The words enunciation implies following in aim. Sampling is advantageous as it save time, help in the capital saving both A and B. Field work based research is classified as empirical. Which of the following method is the best suited to show one map the type of the crops being grown in the region? Choropleth. Research can be classified as all of the above. If the researcher conduct a research on the finding out for which administrative style contributed more to institutional effectiveness is applied research. The research which explores new facts through the study of the past is called historical research. When the research problem is related to the heterogeneous population, the most suitable sampling method is the stratified sampling. When the two are the more successive footnoted refers to the same work. Which one of the following expression is used? IBID. A research paper contain the peer review, original research, or the evaluation of the research conducted by the other. The essential qualities of the researcher are all of the above. Which one of the following phrases are not relevant to describe the meaning of the research as a process? Objective observation. In the thesis, figures and the tables are include the text itself. With which one of the following techniques community is associated with the vector analysis? A detailed description of the methodology of the research is required in the thesis or dissertations. Ethical norms in research do not involve guidelines for thesis format. When planning to do social research, it is better to approach the topic with an open mind. Area sampling is preferred sampling method for the population with the infinite size is systematic sampling. What is the required in the classroom? Teacher effectively answering the question asked by the student. Participant observation is the process of the immersing yourself in the study of people. Fundamental research reflects the ability to expand new principles. One of the aim of the scientific method in the research is to eliminate spurious relation. Which one of the following is not the characteristic of the research? Research is not a process. Action research is a research carried out to solve the immediate problem. The app test can be one-tailed as well as a two-tailed, depending on the hypothesis. Authenticity of the research finding is objectivity. A group of the experts in a specific area of the knowledge assembled at a place and prepare a syllabus for a few courses. The process may be termed as a workshop. Control group condition is applied in the experimental research. Which one of the following variables cannot be expressed in the quantitative terms? The right answer is professional attitude. Which correlation coefficient best explain the relationship between the creativity and the intelligence? The right answer is 1. A working hypothesis is a provisionally accepted hypothesis for the further research. Research ethics do not include subjectivity. A good thesis writing should be all of the above. Identifying the category of the evaluation that assess the learning progress to provide continuous feedback to the student during instruction is formative. The sequential operation in the scientific research are causation, elimination of the superior relation, generalization, and theorization. Hypothesis relate variable to variable. Which one of the following is the biggest barrier in the communication in the classroom? The right answer is नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ मूव करते हैं. The principle of fundamental research use is applied research. What is the effective communicator? A person who clearly says what he wants